Visit irockin.com for more Nigerian music anytime, anywhere.
Hey girl, oh. Girl, I just don't wonder, I still don't wonder, make you take me as I am. No, I just don't wonder. See, you get this girl from my hood, understanding I wish I could. Treating me this way, waiting I do. I just don't wonder, she's my girlfriend, I'm a boo. No temptation, no taboo. Looking so sweet and beautiful. I still don't wonder. Hey, my brother, can you imagine? Everything be like saying magic. Some say make her flashy, that she's flashy, and she looks so sassy. You want make her panic? Man, I don't care if she's nasty. To me, she's a classic girl. Can I be more than a friend? Till the end. Understand. I just don't wanna make you take me as I am. Till the end. Understand. Say, I just don't wanna, can I be more than a friend? Girl, this love no go pass me by. I remember when I used to try. I did try not to cross the line. Girl, I no go lie, not because you're too fine. Please don't make me cry. Don't even ask me why. Unless you want me to cry. Cause I still don't wonder. Hey, brother, can you imagine? Can you imagine what the people are saying? They say make a fashion. Even though love is blind, I can see she's flashy. Yeah, people did the talk, say she nasty. Let them know I don't care what people say. Can I be more than a friend? Till the end. Understand. I just don't wanna make you take me as I am. Till the end. Understand. Say, I just don't wonder, can I be more than a friend? Till the end. Yeah. Oh. I just don't wonder, I still don't wonder, I didn't wonder. Yeah. How can I be more than a friend to you? Someone so close to you. Even though love is blind, I can see. No one can change my heart. No one can tear us apart. You can take that from me. Can I be more than a friend? Till the end. Understand. I just don't wanna make you take me as I am. Till the end. Understand. Say, girl, can I be more than a friend? Brother, can you imagine? Till the end. Understand. I just don't wanna make you take me as I am. She's flashy till the end. And classy, understand. I don't go fancy. I just don't wonder, can I be more than